Well, Jackie, we've been blown off the lake.
That's for sure, Tom. I think one of those days, Tom, you know, just, the weather just turned nasty there, and it was promised anyways to come in, Tom, and it surely did come in with a bang,
Wasn't really worth it.
No.
No, it wasn't really worth it.
No, safety first, Tom. Yep. Safety first, as I say. But we're here doing videos, so we might as well make the most of it,
Well, it is. It is, yeah. Look, we've got some of the stuff here that I want to go through with you.
Yeah.
I'm delighted to be here with you because, just when we were chatting about putting it there, you've been picking up some of the materials and do you know what, you can use that for now. So this is great. This is great for me. But
some little secret flies for you, Tom, for your own box.
Oh,
too.
yeah.
Some ideas.
If I get a secret fly from you, Jackie, you know what? It'll stay a secret.
That's it.
It'll stay a secret, Jackie.
That's it.
So we got some of the new, a lot of the range, the new Fulling Mill range here, Jackie. It's kind of impressive.
It's really good, to be honest, Tom. Some of the colours have come out absolutely fantastic.
Haven't they?
Unbelievable, to be honest with you. And you know me with stimulators, look.
Yeah, that's what we were saying before we started rolling. Jackie picked that up and he goes, stimulator.
Stimulator, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's my bread and butter at times.
I
just love.
You do a mean stimulator.
I do a mean one. But that colour was just absolutely has Melvin, mask, everything. Absolutely just the colour just stands out, Tom.
Fluorescent sunburst, but it really does, yeah.
Oh, beautiful colour, and Tom, you can see it. You'll get a lot of flies off it as well. It's not just a small little patch, so. I don't think you're going to be getting this one back, Tom.
Okay. I don't think I'm going to be getting a lot of this stuff back, Jackie. But I was kind of it's like a kid in the candy store. As you said, the colours. I mean, this is just the Dubbins here.
Yeah.
And immediately, and the one I picked up on all.
Of course.
Orkney Peach.
Of course, I knew you were going to go that for. Definitely knew you were going to go for that one.
For all the guys in Orkney, as you know, we were in Orkney's earlier on this year, and it was fantastic. And I picked up that, and I looked at that. But no, the colours. Really are there some fantastic colours there, Jackie?
Absolutely, Tom. And it's very impressive, to be honest with you, Tom. And I love claret dabblers, Tom.
But did you see that one? And you picked it out because hopefully later on when we do flies, we're doing that claret dabbler.
We're going to do the claret, and you can see how rich the claret is, Tom.
Yeah. It really is. And where's the other one that we were looking at?
Oh, it's here, Tom. I've kept here.
That one. The black claret. No, the black claret.
I hid that one on you, Tom.
Where's the black claret gone? Jackie, hold on. Sorry, bit of a search here. Security to the front door.
Black claret was put back in there
was it?
for the QT. But Tom, what I thought was I actually, this stood out for me as well, is this in claret Microflash.
The Microflash dub.
And I'm going to do a claret dabbler with it today. And
are you going to use all of that?
No, Tom. I'm going to mix it up.
Right.
Basically, I'm actually going to do it by hand, Tom. To be honest with you.
Yeah.
And this is what my little plan is to do with it.
Ooh.
And just mix it through rather than the blender, Tom, because this stuff is really so fine.
Yeah.
And I'd be afraid, to be honest with you, that it gets stuck in the blender for number one.
Yeah.
And when I want to brush that out, Tom, with the brush,
the Velcro or whatever,
yeah, that will absolutely shine through the claret. So that's definitely going to be one of our little flies.
That looks nice already.
Absolutely.
All you have to put in that is a hook.
Absolutely. And
doesn't it?
Yeah, actually, no. You can see the little touches of the blue UV coming through it and the whole lot, Tom. And that, for me, is going to be a Melvin and a mass fly.
Yeah.
Stands out a mile, Tom.
Doesn't it? But I'm already thinking you could do that in the olive as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could do, it's just...
Yeah.
As soon as I seen
it blends it. The two of them actually blend.
Absolutely.
It looks like it's...
Yeah, absolutely.
Looks like they were made for one another.
Absolutely. And as we says, the black claret one there too, we could do it with that as well, Tom, and just mix it through the same way. Mm. But I think putting it into a coffee grinder or anything like that would just absolutely ruin that.
Yeah, would you? How often would you use the grinder to mix?
Fairly a bit, but for the likes of this sort of dubbing, that's very fine, Tom. I wouldn't put it through.
Would you not?
No. I just like to actually just mix it through. My hand that.
Can a grinder be a bit rough on?
It can actually ruin the material.
Right.
It really can. It's all right for the more thicker stuff, you know. The
Right,
courses.
yeah, fair enough. Yeah, that's understandable.
But that stuff there is just like
That's looking
it just
fab.
you
Yep.
know. I mean, look at the colours coming through it there with the blue and the hint of pearl in
Yeah,
it. It
and
just
as you said, a little bit of yeah.
you know, and probably that mix there would absolutely stand out for nymphs as well, Tom.
Mm.
You know, like if you're doing small little crunchers or anything like that, you know, you can see it even at putting it through the head.
That's
crunchers.
fantastic. Immediately you looked at them. I
Oh,
mean, like, to be honest,
immediately.
because we got a bit of dibs on the fur
Yes,
before it came out anyway.
absolutely.
And we've been using it.
Yeah, I've been
That's
using.
absolutely
Yeah. I've been using.
really nice stuff.
The claret has been sent over to me there a while
Yeah,
back
that's
by
right.
Steve, you know, and I've been using it since, to be honest with
Yeah.
you. And it's super. Look, we'll show you later on as well when we do a video of it. How, you know, it just goes on super easily onto the hook. You know,
And that's just the dubbin.
that's just a dubbin, and I mean, so this range in this Microflash, Tom, it comes in all different colours as well.
I mean, the colour, to be honest, it's like a kid in a candy
Fantastic.
store.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Like you could anything from claret octopuses.
Yeah.
You like you name it for Irish style flies. It's there
Yeah.
in that mix. You know, superb. Really is.
It's the same, like, as well in the. I'm just looking there in the tier here. Like, I immediately.
Leave that one back now, Tom.
This one. That's the one. I know you picked out a deer here, but I immediately. Which this one? I love that one, the brown olive.
Yeah.
Like, because what I'm thinking of that is not similar as more mayflies.
Yeah.
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 A couple of wolves.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just, and it's the range in it, and the same with them, because we have CDC there.
We have CDC to do a couple of mayflies here.
Yeah.
And you know, it's really good.
Yeah.
You know, so we're going to do a couple of dry
So
mayflies.
what we're gonna do? We're probably gonna do a dabbler.
We're going to do a dabbler.
And-
we're going to do a dry mayfly as well.
Yeah.
Maybe CDC
Oh
mayfly.
yeah, and we were thinking about this because we were liking these.
I really like.
When we saw these, and these are the Zonker strips.
Yeah, we're going to do a Mickey as well.
Yeah.
Actually, there a couple of weeks ago, I was boating Adrian there, a lad, and he was showing me these hooks. And to be honest with you,
yeah.
I was, you know, he was using them for his minkies and that.
So will you try, if we
I'll
do
try.
Zonker or a
Yeah,
Minky, will we
yeah,
try it on that hook?
yeah,
What's
we
that,
will.
the 60-40?
Yeah,
60-40.
Yeah,
And it's a straight height.
yeah. I really.
And you
fell
like that, yeah?
I really fell for it when I seen
Yeah.
the Minky. Adrian's superb tire, you know.
Yeah.
And when I seen the Minky on it, I says, shieling all over. You know, especially like September and that.
Yeah.
You know, and it's super strong, Tom. You know, and
So you probably try it.
I would probably mix it up. Maybe.
Mix it
You
up
know,
a
there's
bit.
a nice perch fry colour there as well.
There is a perch fry. But then,
yeah.
I remember that one. That one
yeah.
stood out to you, the gold grizzly.
Yeah.
Gold
yeah,
grizzly.
Yeah.
Now, if we get a chance, there's some great yarn as well, but probably mightn't get a chance. But you were talking about maybe doing a couple of, if we got a palomino, but you were looking at some of the yarns here.
I was
and use
looking-
them as posts.
I was using the post.
Because I was asking you, because like I quite often use CDC as a post,
Yeah.
but you prefer using the yarn.
I prefer the yarn. I
Yeah.
like the yarn. Yeah.
Any reason why?
Sometimes I find the CDC, especially when they're all like it's a fish catcher, anyways.
Yeah.
When you do palominos, like, but the CDC kind of gets it kind of the treatment of it. You know, after the first fish, it gets dirty. You know, with the grease of the fish or
Yeah.
the slime coming off
Doesn't
the
work as
fish.
well.
Doesn't work as much.
Whereas the
Or
yarn
just
props
with
up
the yarn,
right as well.
absolute, just a tiny bit of gink on top of that, and away you go again. You're fishing, you know, and you know we've seen it in Ara. It's about keeping your flies in the water, Tom. You know, not constantly geeking stuff up. You know,
Yeah, or constantly changing.
constantly changing lines, Tom.
Yeah.
Changing lines. But we're going to do a mayfly, and this stood out for me as well, Tom.
Oh yeah, that was it. Tactical dry fly dub.
Yeah, really stood
It's
out.
very fine.
Very fine. And what I done then, I mixed it.
Yeah, you did that.
I
Great
mixed
man.
it with the seal stubbing as well. And I'll show you now again. And again, I'm doing this by hand again. And what I done is I mixed both of them together. Just like that. Just a pinch of each. Mix them through my fingers like that. Pull them all out. And see, you can see I'm changing colour.
God, yeah.
Actually, the colour's just
Yeah.
changing into that lovely shade.
And the thing is, Both of them are really strong colours anyway.
Really strong colours, but
and could do on their own, but this is why you are...
colour to me, Tom.
Colour, I mean, we said this when I was chatting to you before.
Yeah, colour to me. And look at that lovely colour that's after coming through it there, Tom.
Yeah.
You know, it's just lovely. You know, you've that kind of paley, kind of mayfly, yellowy olive colour, like straight away.
Yeah.
And that will float forever, Tom.
Yeah.
You know, so we're going to give that a go as well, Tom.
And the tactical, if you were on smaller dries as well, anyway.
Absolutely.
That's going to dub good and fine for you.
Absolutely, Tom.
You can see that.
Yeah.
Just even a bit there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that dubs so fine, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And that.
But like being an Irish thing, Tom.
Generally.
Yeah.
Generally, as we say, we like a bit of life. We like straggling.
Yeah, we
messy,
like that messy.
slobbery.
Yeah, messy.
Bits here, bits there, bits everywhere.
Absolutely. And I could see that even like for a mayfly and merger, even, Tom. It just, like when you put that to the light, look, it's coming more to life than, you know.
Yeah. And that was, make sure that was the Seals sub, Seal X sub. That's the yellow Danica. Yeah.
And the two colours mixed together is just...
Oh, and the other thing, and we might get a chance with that as well, because the whole range of Straggle, and that with it.
Yeah.
And can we mention booby eyes? Oh, no.
No,
Sorry.
that's a secret.
That's secret.
That's a secret.
I heard a rumour about boobies on dabbers. No, I don't think it's true.
No.
I refuse to believe it.
No.
So, now whether we get a chance or not. So,
it won't even come out. That's how much of a
that's
secret
how secret it is. So we're thinking of, and if we get a chance to compare it with the dabbler that you'll try with the normal dubbing.
Yeah.
And we're going to give...
Yeah, you can see it there in straight away, Tom.
Oh dear. Oh.
Very
nice.
nice.
2 eyes in front of that, really.
Yeah.
No, you wouldn't. It would ruin it, would it?
Ruin it. No, you can't give that away, Tom.
No, it's okay. Yeah. No, that's... So if we get a chance, we might do that.
Yeah,
but
we will.
I mean, that's... Because we're doing a lot of that here lately, or in the last couple of years.
Yeah.
Now, we're still using the dubbing for the dabblers, but every now and again...
Yeah. Certain light conditions, Tom, it seems to, to work like really well.
Yeah. And
plus, when you put the two booby eyes on it, it works even better, as we know.
I refuse to believe that, Jackie. I refuse to believe that. They couldn't. No, they wouldn't. Well, Brownie wouldn't take that.
No. And
also, as well, they're very easy to tie.
Absolutely.
Yeah, they're very easy. There's just, God, we could go on and on. Just the hooks. You've really been taken with the hooks anyway.
Yeah, very impressive, Tom.
Yeah.
Really impressive. Really impressive.
We're looking
the range is just superb in it, Tom, again. Really good. Like I felt for those little type of clink hammer hooks we picked out there the other night there as well. They looked a real
go.
A real go for me, Tom.
It's funny at the time of the year now because I'm just looking there now. You see, because it is September.
Yeah.
I haven't really looked at the Flexi Floss.
Yeah.
Because I'm just thinking there on buzzers, but I like the Calabatus on it.
Yeah. Do
you use them much for buzzers, Flexi Floss?
Buzzers is not a big thing we see up our direction. It's more down, we say, carb direction and mask. Now, you will get fish and buzzers, on arrow. But like it really is kicked off on Sheelan at the moment as well.
It's true, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, really kicked off.
It really has.
It really has, And we do get buzzers. Don't get me wrong, but it's not as huge. I don't think there's a lot of people really fishing on them. Look, I do fish them, Tom.
Yeah.
I do get fish on them, but it's not as more popular. We say if someone wants to go buzzer fishing, they end up on the curb buzzer fishing. It
seems to be the centre of
attraction.
It really has. Yeah. And it has been for a long time.
A long time, Tom. Yeah, a long time.
It's going to be nice. Oh.
Yeah. You can imagine now just changing the colour trim underneath that there. And
that's what you do.
Yeah.
That's the thing to remember, guys. Yeah. Sometimes with the buzzers, they think, oh, it's black thread.
Yeah.
I just try on the black thread.
No, you need to change it.
You change the colour of the thread below that.
Yeah.
And there's a bit of translucency in that.
Yeah.
So whatever is not. Oh God, I like that.
Yeah. It really stands out. That. Yeah. Really stands out.
Oh, it really does. Oh, there's a sheen off that, isn't there?
Yeah.
See it? No. You're not getting this, Jackie.
That's right, Tom.
Okay. Look away. Yeah. There. I've put it up there, Jackie. It's grand. It's there. Don't worry. It's there.
Put it a little bit further up, Tom.
Yeah, it's grand. All right, that's grand. Yeah. So, sure. Look. God, we could go on for ages, but look, we might as well get a few flies right.
Oh, might as well. Or
Okay.
you'll be staying tonight again,
I
Tom.
will. Right, well, I'll move away from the vice.
That's
We'll let you get set up.
That's
and
no
get doing
problem.
it.
Okay, Tom.